In this video, we're going to go over how to check the firmware and the battery status of your PLC. Locate the up and down arrow on the front of your PLC. Press them together at the same time. Scroll down using the down arrow key to view status and press enter. Once you're in this, you will scroll down until you find the firmware rev number. If you need another copy of the program for your PLC, this will be very important. To back out of there, press escape. Scroll down using the arrow key to view diagnostics. Press enter. And then scroll down to the bottom of the menu until we find I/O system and battery. The main thing to check if your battery is low is either I/O system will have an error or the battery will have an error. If either of these are reading error, that means you will need to change the battery in your PLC.